Greetings from Maze People Team. Today we are going to learn how to add QR code check-in to your bus booking website. So first visit mazepeople.com and select WpBusTicketly. Okay. Now click Purchase Now and select your plan. Now choose the plan and select the level. Give your email address, your first name, your last name, create an account. Okay. Your password and simply place the order. Okay. After checking everything, click continue and purchase WpBusTicketly Pro. Okay. So you got a confirmation of your purchase. Now let's purchase the QR code add-on. Okay. Scroll down below and click QR code add-on. As you can see, it has some great features. Well, now let's purchase it. Select your plan and confirm that this is the plan you're going to purchase. Okay. Now give details and place the order. Okay. Well, you have successfully purchased. Now click continue. Okay, and now let's go to dashboard and check. Well, before using WpBusTicketly Pro, we need to make sure that we have installed the basic version of WpBusTicketly and WooCommerce, of course. Okay, now let's upload the plugin of WpBusTicketly Pro. Okay, choose the file and now click install now. Activate the plugin. Okay, now you need to install the Maze PDF plugin. Okay, install it and activate now. Now upload your QR code add-on. Click install now. Okay, activate it. Well, we are ready to use the QR code add-on now. Now go to your booking website for bus. Okay, select from where you want to go and where is your destination, your journey date. Now click search. Now book the bus as your choice. Select your preferable seat, then click and book now. Okay, you have already successfully added to your cart. Now simply proceed to checkout. Okay, give all your details and proceed to checkout. Well, you have finally purchased it. Now you need to download the ticket. Okay, scroll down and download the ticket. So this is the ticket with your QR code. Now let's see how it works.
You're welcome.
Okay, you have just seen a demo how it works. Okay, then go to passenger list and select the attendee and click scan QR code. And this is how you have just seen how it works. Now you have already checked in your passenger, and let's see the status. Okay, it is already checked in. So this is how your QR code is already scanned for the attendee. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe our video and like our video. Thank you for watching.